course, it's fine. Only put some sauce, tomato paste. Ayan. Ayan. Cover for a while. Okay na. It's good already. It's malambot na. Put some celery. Even I don't like celery, I need to put because it reduces inflammation in your body. So many benefits of celery. So you have to add it in your diet. Yeah. Good, good, good. Colorful. I love it. It's delicious. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Instead of pineapple, because I don't have pineapple, I just put the celery. Okay na yan. Ayan. Ito ang gusto ko, yung menudo style na hindi siya masyadong maraming karne. Importante ang vegetables. So, we have now our lunch in our simple way. That's it. Ang sarap na niyan. Kain kayo. Meron na akong menudo. Let's have a taste. Taste it and love it. May I see how it's yummy? Masarap pala yung style. Sarap. Thank you, Lord. That's it, lunch.